Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Dear Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this high-low, high-up hairstyle right here. Okay, so this was I did crochet. So all of this is crochet in here. Here's what the back looks like. I did the color 27. All right, so this is what the hair looks like right here. I used the brand Glance. That was at my local beauty supply store. And so yeah, this was really cute. It was very easy. It probably took me, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour. I gotta fix this. I can wear it to the side, or I can do it, hold up. Or I can put it in a bun. You know, I could put it in the bun too. Whew. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Dear Michelle, and I am back with another hair video for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a half up, half down hairstyle. So right now I'm basically just parting my hair down the middle just to see where, you know, I want my part to be. So for the front part, I'm just going to comb it out, go ahead and put some hard thick gel, because I don't like loose gel because it's mixed with water and it makes my hair flake up and curl up. So I'm gonna use extra hold gel, so you know it can hold and not flake up my hair and all that stuff. So yeah. Okay, so now with the back of my hair, I'm going to just braid it in a circle. I didn't record much because it was hard for me to even do it, but I got it done. Okay, so this is what the hair pack looks like. It's deep twist, it's 22 inches. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking the interlock tool and, regularly interlocking my hair. I put the needle through, put the hair on the hook, pull it through my braid, and I will knot it up so that the hair can stay. Okay, so this is what the back is looking like. I'm going to fix the bun now. I'm basically just going to be doing the same thing, but just without braids. And this was my first time doing it this way. So I feel like a tip is to not go all the way through your bun, but just go a little bit through. Don't go all the way through. You guys, I'm not even going to lie, this was the most easiest perspective hairstyle that I ever did, and I'm probably just going to keep it in for about 2 weeks maybe. Okay, I hope you guys really like it, and I will see you guys in my next video.